So, dear students, let us look at a new problem where the subscription amount is not given in the problem. We have to calculate what is the total amount of subscription and what is outstanding. Okay, let us look at the problem. From the following recent payments account, prepare final account of Unity Club for the year ended 31st March 2018. Look at the notes and try to follow me. Recent payments account for the year ending 31st March 2018. Receipts to balance brought down 15,000. This is the amount to be written in the opening balance sheet. Yes, opening balance sheet is given cash in hand 15,000. Okay. Sale of old furniture 4,000. Cost is given 6,000. 4,000 is the sales value, or it is sold for 4,000. So 6,000 minus 4,000. 2,000 is the loss on sale of furniture. Subscription, 3-year subscription is given 2016, 2017, 16-17, 2017-18, 2018-19. So this will go to opening balance sheet and it is already written there. Subscription outstanding 18,000 and this amount will go to closing balance sheet and we have to consider only 2017 and 18 amount, that is 60,000 while preparing income and expenditure account. Then sale of old newspaper, that is the normal income. Profit from entertainment, it is also a regular income, income and expenditure account. Rent, revenue, receipt, you have to write it in the income and expenditure account. Okay, now let us go to the payment side. Buy furniture 18,000, furniture is an asset, balance sheet, library books, balance sheet item, salaries, general expenses, newspaper, printing and stationery, audit fees. All these 5 items, they will be entered in the income and expenditure account. Okay, now let us look at the closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017, opening balance sheet is given. Outstanding salary, it is the outstanding of last year. Okay, what we have to do with this? This has to be deducted from salary in the income and expenditure account, and right hand side cash in hand, of course we know that. Outstanding subscription, it has to be deducted from the subscription. Library books, furniture, land and building, they will straight away go to the balance sheet. Now let us look at the adjustment. The club had 500 members, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 150. So there are 500 members, each member is paying 150, then what is the total amount of subscription? So club had 500 members, 500 members were there, each paying 150 rupees. So total of subscriptions will be 75,000. Now look at the recent payments account, subscription column, subscription 2017 and 18, 60,000 is received. So 60,000 received, 75,000 is to be received, 60,000 subscription received. So 15,000 is the subscription which is not received. So what we can say is it is a outstanding subscription. Okay. Then on 31st March 2018, salaries outstanding 1,200 and we have to add it to the salary. Salaries paid included rupees 6,000 for 2018 and 19. So there is an advance, we have to write it in the closing balance sheet and we have to deduct it from the salaries. Provide 5% depreciation on land and building, we know how to calculate that. So here the special adjustment is only relating to the calculation of total subscription, and of course the furniture is sold, the sales value of furniture is 4,000, the cost is 6,000. So 2,000 rupees loss is there, it has to be entered in income and expenditure account, and this is the cost of furniture sold. So while writing it in the balance sheet, opening balance of furniture plus purchased minus the value of furniture sold, it has to be deducted, then whatever the amount comes, it has to be entered in the closing balance sheet. Okay, now let us work out the problem. Let us prepare income and expenditure account, write the name of the firm on the top, Unity Club. Income and expenditure account, income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. income, rupees, expenditure, rupees. Okay, now let's look at the item one by one. Look at the payment side. Furniture is given, it will go to balance sheet. Library books balance sheet. Salaries 72,000 is given. So, 2 salaries 72,000. So, for this we have to look into the adjustment. Adjustment number 2. On 31st March 2018, salaries outstanding rupees 1,200. So, current year's outstanding of current year 1,200. You have to add that, and at the same time there is salary paid included rupees 6,000. It included rupees 6,000 for the year 2018 and 19. So, advance for 2018 and 19 it has to be subtracted. Advance of next year 6,000. So, the amount to be entered in the outer column is 67,200. Go to the next item, general expenses 30,000 for which there is no other adjustment. General expenses 30,000 for which there is no adjustment. Newspaper 33,800, for this also there is no adjustment. 33,800. Printing and stationery 11,000, for this also there is no adjustment. Printing and stationery 33,000, sorry, 11,000. 11,000. Then audit fees 40,000. Audit fees 40,000. Then is there any other item which is to be entered? So, sale of furniture is there. Recent payments account second item. Sale of old furniture 4,000, cost rupees 6,000. So, there we will get a loss of rupees 2,000. Loss on sale of furniture. 6,000 is the cost, it is sold for 4,000. Yes. So, 2,000 is the loss. So, 2,000 loss is to be entered. Then depreciation on land and building 5%. 2. Depreciation on land and building. Depreciation on land and building. The value of land and building is 6 lakhs. So, of that 5%, 6 lakh into 5%. So, it will be 30,000 rupees. So, the items to be entered on the debit side is over. Now, let us go to the credit side. So, in the recent payments account, you look at the receipt side, the left hand side, and those items will be entered on the credit side of income and expenditure account. The first item is sale of old sports material, that is over. Now, subscription, buy subscription. By subscription, the amount of subscription is 60,000 rupees. We have to consider only the amount relating to 2017 and 18. And as I have explained in the working note, 15,000 of subscription is outstanding. So, outstanding of current year 15,000. So, in the outer column 75,000 we have to write. Then comes the sale of old newspaper 10,800. By sale of old newspaper 10,800. And profit from entertainment, by profit from entertainment, the amount is 44,000. 44,000. The amount is 44,000. Then is there any other item? Just look into the problem. Is there any other item? There is no other item, I think. And yes, rent is there 84,000. Buy rent 84,000 rupees. So I think I have entered all the items. Now find out the difference. The total of income and expenditure account is 2,13,800. 2,13,800. 2,13,800, and the difference is considered as surplus. The amount of surplus is 5,800. Use your calculator and find out the difference, 5,800. So this is the income and expenditure account. Okay, let's prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. Liabilities, rupees. Assets, rupees. Write the name of the club on the top, Unity Club. The first item in balance sheet is cash in hand. It is given in the recent payments account as by balance carried down 33,000. Okay, it's over. Now look at the opening balance sheet. Library books are there. Library books. The amount of library books is 30,000. Now look at the payment side. Is there any purchase during the year? Yes, there is a purchase 10,000 plus purchase or addition 10,000. So total it will be 40,000. So there is no depreciation. The amount will be 40,000. The next item is furniture. Furniture. The amount is 37,000, which is given in the opening balance sheet. And look at the payment side. Is there any furniture? Yes, the first item plus purchase or addition. Purchase of furniture 18,000. 18,000, and from this you have to deduct the cost of furniture sold, which is given in the receipt side of recent payments account. Cost of furniture sold is 6,000. Then you have to see, is there any depreciation? If there is a depreciation, you have to deduct that also. So the amount will become 40. I think the amount is 49,000. 49,000. Land and building 6 lakh. There is no adjustment, only depreciation is there. Land and building. Land and building, inner column 6 lakh minus depreciation. We have entered this amount in the income and expenditure account 30,000. So the amount will become 5,70,000. Okay. Now only outstanding and prepaid items are left. Look at the adjustment. Outstanding subscription asset. Outstanding subscription asset 15,000. That is what we have calculated. 75,000 minus 60,000. 15,000 is the outstanding subscription. And salary prepaid, which is given in the adjustment number 2. Salary outstanding 1,200. Salary prepaid 6,000. Salary prepaid 6,000. Outstanding salary, adjustment number 2, outstanding salary 1,200. Then you have to see, is there any advance? Before finding out the total, you have to check once whether all the items have been entered from recent payments account. So once you look at the recent payments account, subscription is given 2016-17, 17-18 and 18-19. 16-17 it is entered in the opening balance sheet. 17-18 we have entered in the income and expenditure account, and 18 and 19, 12,000 it is not entered. We have to enter it now. Subscriptions received in advance, 12,000. I think I have entered all the items. Now look at the capital fund which is given in the opening balance sheet. Capital fund, opening amount is 6,94,000. The opening amount, opening value 6,94,000. For this you have to add up all the items which are capitalized. So here in this problem no other items are capitalized, so you add up surplus plus surplus. The amount of surplus is 5,800. So once you add up this 5,800, the next item is, the total amount will be 6,99,800. So now find out the total. The answer is given 7,13,000. Use your calculator and check the balance. 7,13,000. 7,13,000. So this is how you have to work out the problem. This question will come for the, it may come for the examination for 12 marks.